afternoon. My name is Antonia, and the first question I would like to give to you is, what do you think is a poster for you? Next one. Well, I think that it came to your mind that a poster is a printed design of an event, a concert in town, a conference, a lecture, or even a seminar. This would be a little introduction of what I'm going to talk about, designing posters. The two important static elements to design a poster is that it has to be very complex and efficiently presented. That means that if our design is creative, attractive, it would be noticed for our public and very understandable. Next one. The general points of a poster would be three type of size. Remember that the first size that I'm going to tell you is the length, and the second one is the height. It's 1 times 2 meters, 60 times 90 centimeters, and 40 times 60 centimeters. The three important facts of a poster would be that our audience has to be very capable to see it. So let's put an idle of 1 meter. The next important fact would be that our size of our letter doesn't be too small. It has to be visible for our audience. And let's not put too many charts, images, because it would be very confused for our public. In 2 small points, our poster has to be very concise and precise. Next one. The methods of making a poster. The methods of making a poster. The methods of making a poster would be one-piece method. That it's printed in one large piece with legal sizes and a letter. It's very important that when we're going to print our poster, we check on our printer so it cannot be pixelized or blurry. Here could be an example. This is a poster in one large piece in which we checked our letter sizes and our color. Next one, please. The next method would be the panel method, and where we do have charts, titles, and it's divided on subjects. That's very important. And here would be an example. The life cycle of a butterfly. It's divided on 1, 2, 3, 4 subjects. It has images, title. Right here in this one we don't have charts, but we can see it in other types of posters. Next one, please. Where do we look for when we want to download images for posters? Well, I think that everybody here looks for it in internet. It's the very easy way and accessible way to look for images to download it. Next one. But sometimes we don't always look what we're looking for. We don't always find what we're looking for. There are 3 problems that can happen when we cannot download our images or find our images. First, there's no accessibility to our web. There is restricted accesses for our pictures, and it can be very difficult to locate our images. A successful searching would be these points that are mentioned here. First, we have to be clear what we're looking for. what topic are we talking about, if it's history or contemporary, why do we want that image or clip in our poster, what do we want to say with that image or picture in our poster, and if we're capable to pay for that image. Next one, please. Website databases. There are kinds of pages where we can download images very easily for our posters, describing by topics if we're going to do it for work, for education, for statistics, etc. I'm going to give you some search tips. First, we have to know what kind of word we're looking for, if we're looking for a complete word or the half of the word so we can find it. We can do a quick research, or we can do an advanced research before we're looking for our picture. We have to pay attention to our spelling and capitalization. And when we look from all those steps, we have to see our result exactly if that's what we wanted. And in conclusion, I want to tell you that we can know a simple way of making posters and downloading images in its very simplest elaboration of them for the moment. When we are going to present a topic, this would be an accessible material, so we can present it very easily and it can be understandable for our audience. Thank you very much.